Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for environmental studies for standard 5. Chapter number 16, that is cleaning is our job. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more updates. So we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one is, what did Gandhiji insist on? It's option number C, cleanliness. Second, who does the work of keeping the roads of the village or city clean? It's option number B, cleaners. Third, what will happen if a heap of trash remains as it is for a week? It's option number D, all of the given. Fourth, you want a haircut, who will you go to? It's option number D, a barber. Fifth, to whose shop will you go to buy sweetmeats? It's option number C, a confectioner's. Sixth, which ashram did Gandhiji establish in Ahmedabad? It's option number B, the Sabarmati ashram. Now we'll continue with question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. First one, cleanliness is the key to good health. Second, waste should always be thrown only in a trash can. Third, Gandhiji insisted upon cleanliness and cleaning. Fourth, the work of ironing clothes is done by washerman. Fifth, cleaners sweep up waste with a broom. Sixth, people call Gandhiji by the name of Bapu. And seventh, Mahadev Bhai Desai was Gandhiji's friend. Now question number 3, that is true or false. First one, guests who came to visit Gandhiji's ashram also had to do their work themselves. It is true. Second, trash should be thrown on an open ground. It is false. Third, people of only one caste did the work of cleaning toilets in the Gandhiji's ashram. It is false. Fourth, Gandhiji established an ashram in Gandhinagar. It is false. Fifth, Vardha city is in Maharashtra. It is true. Sixth, Mahadev Bhai's son Narayan Bhai used to stay with Gandhiji right from a young age. It is true. Now question number 4, that is match the following. First one, a cattle herder. It's option number D, keeps cows and buffaloes. Second, a confectioner. It's option number E, makes sweetmeats. Third, a potter. It's option number A, makes pots. And fourth, a washerman. It is option number B, irons clothes. Now question number 5, that is answer in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, are children of cleaners ready to do cleaning work? Children of cleaners are not ready to do cleaning work. Second, how can a cleaner's work be reduced? If all the villagers spread less dirt and trash, a cleaner's work can be reduced. Third, what work did every guest who visited Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram have to learn to do? Every guest who visited Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram have to learn to do cleaning work. Fourth one, what did Gandhiji insist upon? Gandhiji insisted upon cleanliness and cleaning. Fifth, who cleans the toilet in your house? My mother cleans the toilet in my house. Sixth, who does the work of cleaning in your school? Cleaners do the work of cleaning in my school. Seventh, what all has to be cleaned in your school? Classrooms, lobby and playground has to be cleaned in my school. 8. When do you clean your school? We clean the school half an hour before it starts. That is, we clean it from 10 to 10:30 a.m. Now question number 6, that is answer the following questions. First one, what kind of difficulties do sweepers face while doing their work? Sweepers face a lot of difficulties while doing this work. For example, while cleaning the roads, dust enters their lungs through their nose, so there is a possibility of suffering from diseases of the respiratory system. They sometimes suffer from skin infections due to dust and dirt sticking to it. Their hand, feet and clothes become very dirty. These have to be thoroughly cleaned. Second, if nobody cleared the garbage lying outside your school or your house for a week, then what would happen? If garbage lying outside the school or home is not cleared for 1 week, it will start stinking. Since this is wet as well as dry trash in the garbage, it will start rotting and people will start falling ill. There may even be an epidemic. It would be very difficult to go to school or live in the house. Third question, what type of work or job do people like? Why? People like to work or have a job in government offices. Reason is, there is job security in such work, there is no manual labor involved and one can work comfortably on a chair and table. People also treat us respectfully when we work in such an office. Fourth question, why did Gandhiji and his team start doing cleaning? Gandhiji believed in doing one's own work oneself. If we ourselves clean our dirt, no one else will have to do this dirty work. Gandhiji started this work in Sabarmati ashram itself. When Gandhiji and his team went to stay in a village near Wardha city in Maharashtra, there were no facilities in the village. There they started cleaning toilets. They thought that if we start doing this work, the villagers will also do it. This will bring about a change in people's thinking. Fifth one, how will you treat people who clean toilets and drains? Right. I will treat people who clean toilets and drain properly. They are the ones who get rid of the dirt from our toilets and drains. If they did not do this work, we would have to clean the toilets and drains, a job which we hate. Moreover, it is only because they do this job that we do not have to do it. So, all of us should be grateful to them. Sixth one, why is it necessary to keep the house clean? If we keep the house clean, insects like flies and mosquitoes as well as disease spreading germs will not be seen in it. As a result, we will not fall sick and will remain healthy. Moreover, the mind feels happy in a clean environment, so we will be healthy mentally also. Seventh one, why is disinfectant sprinkled in pat holes filled with dirty water? Foul smell spreads around pat holes filled with dirty water and mosquitoes breed in it. Diseases like malaria and dengue spread due to mosquitoes. When disinfectant is sprinkled in pat holes filled with dirty water, mosquitoes are destroyed and diseases do not spread. Eighth question, what happens if you do not keep your clothes, books and toys or playing equipments at the proper place at home? Discuss it. If I do not keep my clothes, books and toys at the proper place at home, the house will look untidy. Moreover, if clothes, books and toys are not in their proper place, they will not be found easily when they are needed. Now question number 7, answer as asked. First one, what if the sweepers were not doing the cleaning work? Think. If the sweepers did not do the cleaning work, trash would be seen all over our yards at home and on the streets too. As a result, there would be dirt everywhere which would lead to diseases. We would have to sweep the trash around our houses ourselves, collect it and throw it in trash cans. Public places like roads and parks, bus stations, railway stations, etc. would not have been cleaned. Thus, there would be heaps of trash and dirt wherever one looked. Second question, what is our responsibility to keep each place clean? As an aware citizen of the country, it is our responsibility to keep each place clean in the following ways: by sweeping the area around us and keeping it clean, by throwing the trash and leftovers only in the trash can, by not littering at any public place, by not piling trash at the corner of the street, the society or the village, but throwing it only in the trash cans kept at such places, by flushing toilets after use and not leaving them dirty, whether home or public toilets. Now third question, name the people who do the following jobs. First one, ironing clothes, washerman. Second, cleaning roads, cleaners. Third, regulating traffic, traffic policeman. Fourth, selling vegetables, greengrocer. Fifth, driving a bus, driver. Sixth, building a house, mason. Seventh, examining a patient and giving medicine, doctor. Eighth, teaching in a school, teacher. Now the activities, first one is make groups of students in class and create slogans for the notice board. Write the slogans in the space given below. First one, cleanliness is next to godliness. Second, the first happiness is to do things yourself. Third, cleanliness is the key to good health. Fourth, wherever there is filth, there is ill health. Fifth, clean village, beautiful village. 6. Clean body, healthy body. 7. Let us clean our own dirt. 8. There is no shame in cleanliness. 9th. Use toilets for nature's calls. 10th. Open defecation is shameful. Second one, draw or collect and stick the things used for keeping our surroundings clean and write their names below each. And the last questions are HOTS questions. First one, where should dirty water and leftover food be thrown? It's option number C, in a drain. Second, which of the following facts is not considered good for maintaining a clean environment? It's option number D, all of the given. Third, which of the following statements is true for cleanliness in Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram? It's option number C. Every person staying in the ashram did all kinds of work. Fourth, what was Gandhiji's name? It's option number A. Mohandas. And here we come to the end of the chapter number 16, that is cleaning is our job. I hope you have understood the whole chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.